How to create a WhatsApp group using the latest version of the app. Creating a group is a great way to stay connected with your friends, family, or coworkers in one place. To get started, open WhatsApp and tap the new chat icon in the bottom right corner. Then tap New Group at the top. Now, select the contacts you want to add to your group. You can scroll through your contact list or use the search bar to find people more quickly. Once you've selected everyone, tap the Next button. Next, enter a group name. If you'd like, tap the camera icon to add a group photo. You can choose an image from your gallery, take a new photo, use an emoji, search for an image, or create an AI-generated group icon if that option is available. You can also enable disappearing messages and choose how long messages remain visible, or leave this feature turned off. After that, open Group Permissions to control what members can do, such as editing group information, sending messages, adding new members, or inviting others. You can also enable admin approval if you want admins to approve new members before they join. Once everything is set up, tap the check mark in the bottom right corner to create your group. And that's it. You've successfully created a WhatsApp group and customized it to fit your needs. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more quick and easy WhatsApp tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.